Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you stopped and really noticed how far you've come on your keto journey? So many of us get caught up in the daily grind, tracking carbs, planning meals, and staying disciplined, that we forget to pause and appreciate the real changes happening in our lives. Maybe it's the extra energy you have when you wake up. Maybe it's how your clothes fit differently, or maybe it's just the fact that you've stayed consistent with a commitment you made to yourself. These are huge wins. But if we don't reflect on them, they slip by unnoticed. Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful reasons why reflecting on the positive effects of your lifestyle change is one of the most motivating and even life-changing habits you can build into your keto journey. Point number 1, celebrate the wins. First, celebrate your wins, big and small. When you started keto, maybe your goal was weight loss, or maybe it was to get more energy. Reflect back. Are you sleeping better? Do you have fewer cravings? Is your mood more stable? These are huge victories. Too often, we only look at the finish line, but pausing to notice how far you've come builds gratitude and keeps you going. Point number 2, reflection fuels motivation. Second, reflection fuels motivation. Let's be honest. Every lifestyle change has its tough days and moments. The days when cravings hit hard or when progress feels slow. Reflection acts like an anchor in those moments. By reminding yourself of the energy you've gained, the confidence you've built, or even the little victories like skipping that soda, you give yourself proof that it's working. That proof is what keeps you moving forward when motivation dips. Point number 3, your change inspires others. Third, remember that your journey doesn't just affect you. When you reflect on how your energy, mood, and health have improved, you'll start to see how it impacts your relationships. You might be more present with family or inspiring friends to make better choices. Keto isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about the ripple effect of becoming a healthier version of yourself. That's something worth reflecting on. So here's the challenge. This week, take a few minutes to write down 3 positive changes you've noticed since starting keto. Or if you're just getting started, write down what benefits you're looking forward to. Reflection keeps you grounded, motivated, and proud of your journey. If this video gave you some motivation today, hit that like button, subscribe for more keto tips, and share this with someone who could use a little encouragement. Thanks for watching, and remember, every step forward counts. See you in the next video.